Your offer's been stuck in the friend zone with your audience? Yeah, I've been there living on a prayer, refreshing Stripe like it's a slot machine. But this four-phase strategy helped my clients hit $1,000 days, and it's way easier than you think. I used to charge for it. Now I'm handing it to you free. Hit play and let's go full rock star mode. Watch it now, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, or my dog Merlin will be personally offended. Yes, $1,000 days. That's what my clients get when they create their offer and then start selling it. And I want to give you a big goal because you can make 1K days. It is possible. I've seen it. I've done it myself and I've done it for my clients. So I love showing timelines just to give you an idea of what's in store for you here in this program is that phase one, if you don't have an offer already, you should go through the abundance analysis inside the classroom area. If we go to the classroom, this is a core signature program of mine. But as you come in here, you'll see also the abundance analysis method here that you can use, cash causing micro course outline. And also I give you some examples here as well that just to get you motivated to know that it's possible, right? 148,000 of micro offers and 68,000 in 1 month. And I show you the exact details behind some of my clients' offers that work. So without further ado, what I want you to do now is make sure you go with the start here section of the school group. Make sure you introduce yourself, but look at this timeline here as well. Phase one, phase two, phase three, phase four. If you don't have an offer already, go through the abundance analysis, go through the micro offer magic program, create your micro offer in minimal viable sales copy. And then on phase two, you're going to get 3 testimonials because testimonials sell. That's what really sells. Your sales copy could suck, to be honest. Just saying, hopefully it's going to be good. But as long as you have really good testimonials, you're going to sell your offer, right? And you can even get your 3 friends or family to kind of review your product and give you a good testimonial. Like for instance, you can just, so you don't get confused, just use a simple Google Doc and a Loom video for your course, or just create an ebook with like ChatGPT for your course and have a couple of people review it and give you a testimonial or success story. Phase 3, sales page up and running. So by phase 3, you're going to be able to kind of start sending social traffic to it. So I'm a big believer in phase 4 is traffic, but I'm a big believer in like a 30-minute social cash machine. It's a program that we offer in our more paid program, but I'll give you a light touch of that in this free school community about what to do on social media to get organic traffic. And so that allows you to get more sales and more testimonials. In phase 4, now it's time for you to just turn on the traffic faucet. Okay. This is how you scale to $1,000 days, how you scale to maybe you just want to make $1,000 a month. That's totally cool too. But that's what you do. You do through organic. That could be your Instagram, your LinkedIn, your Facebook. It can be YouTube. I recently started on YouTube and I got 606 views within 7 days of my first YouTube video, right? And people are coming into the membership. Organic can also be what I call partnerships. That's how I made my first million online. You can actually go to other people that have your audience that you sell to, offer them some kind of commission or something to promote your offer, and they will send their email list or their social people to your offer and you both make money. So it's a win-win relationship, right? And it's a win for the customer too. So it's a triple win because the customer gets a cool offer from you that you're helping them with. And then you can use paid traffic. And then you can use paid traffic, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads to scale and optimize. And then you just rinse and repeat. And there you have it. That is, I wanted to talk fast because I wanted you just to get excited about being in this new school community. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. We have a whole create your winning micro offers program here. And we have a whole like sales page, 7 key elements of a sales page here, what you need to do and have. And as you can see, number 6 is testimonials, right? So go ahead and through this, ask any questions. And I know this is a long video, but I felt it was important because if you actually watch the whole thing to the end, like right now, that means you're engaged, you're excited, and you're ready to rock and roll. And I have complete confidence in you that you can get your digital offer, digital products to $1,000 days. All right. Mwah. Love and light to you.